Okay, Chase, how would we do number 14?
So we first we would get 2 to the fourth power times f to the fourth power times g to the 16th power times f to the sixth power times g to the sixth power. And then we would combine like terms and we would get, let's see, 16 16 times f to the 10th power times g to the 22nd power.
Okay, great job. Woo! Very good. Okay, let's see if we can do number 15 and 16. Now, do
Oh,
you remember the quotient rule when we have division? Do you remember what we would do?
um,
We would keep the base the same and do what to the exponent?
oh, subtract it.
Yes, very good. So if we have x to the fifth power over x, then what would that become?
X to the fourth power.
Very good. And then what about y to the sixth power over y to the second power?
Y to the fourth power.
Very good. So we'd have x to the fourth power, y to the fourth power, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's look at, let me just put that there. And let's look at number 16. We have, let me just start that over. X to the second power times y to the fifth power over xy to the fourth power, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so
So
how would we solve that one?
um it's the answer is X times Y because X to the second minus no the squared exponent subtracts the other exponent and equals 1, and then the 5 subtracts the 4 and then equals 1, so it's X times Y.
Yes, that's correct. It would just be xy. Very good. Okay, let's look at a couple problems with negative exponents, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So do you remember how we solve negative exponents?
Um, it, so like if it was Y to the negative 7th power, it would equal 1 over Y to the 7th power.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, what about 7 to the negative second power?
1 over 7 to the 2nd power.
Okay, and what is 7 to the second power?
14. No,
Hmm.
I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Well, tell me the right answer.
49.
Yes.
I
So we
thought it was
have,
2.
it's okay, you corrected yourself. And that's an important skill to have is correcting yourself, right? Did I tell you the right answer?
No.
No, you corrected yourself. So great job on that. Okay, now these next two are a little bit tricky. You kind of have to think about them, but you have a good brain and I think you can figure it out. What if I have 1 over x to the negative fifth power? What do you think that would be?
X to the 5th power?
That's correct. How did you know?
Because it was the exact opposite of the negative ones.
Yes. Yes, exactly. And it's just like this. If you're doing 1 divided by 1 over x to the fifth power, then that means that you're going to have to flip the second number and multiply. And so you would get x to the fifth over 1, which would be x to the fifth. So,
Mm-hmm.
yes, you got that right. So, okay, what if we're doing number 22 the same way then? What would be the answer for number 22?
16.
Yes, that's correct. Because we get 2 to the 4th over 1, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And so we get 16. Very good. Okay. Let's look at numbers 23 through 26, and you're doing a great job. We're almost done. Okay. So what is x to the 5th power times x to the negative 1st power?
X to the 5th power. X to the 4th power.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, what about number 24?
1 over y to the 6th power.
You said y?
1 over x to the 6th power.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, number 25.
X to the 2nd power.
Yes, that's correct. What about number 26?
Okay, so can't you combine them?
Well, what is happening between these different
Oh,
terms?
yes, you can. They're multiplying. So j to the negative 3rd power.
Yes, that's correct. Now, can
Or
you
1 over j
simplify
to the
that?
3rd.
Yes, that's correct. 1 over j to the 3rd power. Very good. Okay. Let's look at a couple of kind of difficult ones. We only have about 3 minutes left. Okay, what if we have 24x to the 6th power over 12x to the negative 8th power? What do you think we would do?
Divide. And
Okay.
the exponent you would subtract.
Okay, and so what would we get?
2x to the 14th power.
Very good, Chase. I'm proud of you. That was a hard one. So yeah, we have to do 24 divided by 12 to get 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we do 6 minus negative 8, which equals 14. And so we get 2x to the 14th power. Great job. Okay.
The next one looks a lot harder.
Well, it's basically the same principle, right?
Yeah.
So we have 3x to the 2nd power, y to the negative 3rd power over 12x to the 6th power, y to the 3rd power, right? So let's just kind of take it part by part. Okay, so first you have 3 over 12, which is what?
1/4.
Okay. Then you have x to the 2nd divided by x to the 6th.
To the negative x to the negative 4th power.
Which would be
1 over x to the times 1 over x to the 4th.
Okay. And then y to the negative 3rd divided by.
So times y to the negative 6th.
Okay. So y to the negative 6 would be.
1 over y to the 6th power.
Okay. Simplify straight across. And you get 1 over. You just got to say it all together. That's all you got to do.
1 over 4 times x to the 4th times y to the 6th.
Yes, that's correct. And that's your answer. That's it. Yeah, so this is actually a college algebra worksheet that you're doing from community college. I forgot the name of the community college, but we can go to the main site and see the name here. Metropolitan Community College. So you would be doing this type of math in your first or your second year of college, and you're able to do it now. So are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be. Great work. All right.
Thank you.
Well, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Well, I'll be sending this clip over to your mom, and I hope you have a great night.
Okay.
Bye.